Why is Donald Trump the man who promised no more wars bombing Yemen? When he took oath as the 47th US president, Donald Trump had promised to end wars, not start them. So why, less than 2 months into his presidency, is he dropping bombs? On the whole story, let's understand this in detail. Let's start with the basics first. What's happening in Yemen? On Saturday, US President Donald Trump launched large-scale military strikes against the Houthis in Yemen. 53 people, including children, were killed according to the Health Ministry, which is run by the Houthis. This is the biggest US military operation in West Asia since President Trump took over in January. Who are the Houthis? The Houthis are an armed political and religious rebel group in Yemen. They are backed and funded by Iran. They consider Israel their enemy. They have declared themselves to be part of the Iranian-led axis of resistance against Israel, the US, and the wider West. Now, when did things get so bad? Since late 2023, Houthi rebels have been firing missiles and drones at ships, sinking a couple of them, killing sailors, and scaring off big companies in the Red Sea. Why? They say it's to support Palestinians in Gaza. Now, they are saying that they are attacking the ships that are tied to Israel, the US, or its ally. As a result, trade routes are a mess, oil prices are going up, and the American Navy had to dodge 174 Houthi attacks. Major shipping companies have been forced to stop using the Red Sea, through which almost 15% of the global sea trade usually passes, and instead use a much longer route around southern Africa. Now, why is the Red Sea important? And why is Trump getting into this conflict? Trump said that it had been more than a year since an American ship had sailed safely through the Suez Canal, which the Red Sea leads to. The Suez Canal is the quickest sea route between Asia and Europe and is particularly important in the transportation of oil and LNG, liquefied natural gas. Trump also warned Iran, and I quote, "Do not threaten American people, their president, or worldwide shipping lanes. If you do, beware, because America will hold you fully accountable and we won't be nice about it," unquote. Things are getting really bad. US officials are saying that they will keep hitting Yemen. In response, the Houthis have also declared that the group would directly target US ships in the Red Sea. Well, Trump is not starting a war in Yemen. He's stepping into one that's been simmering for a decade. The world is watching.